Dude, we're destroying your home, bro. What's up, man? We're destroying your home. I'm sorry, guy. Oh, man, a little field mouse. We're destroying his Land Cruiser home.
Yep, watch yourself, right?
Oh, we're at it again here at the old farm with the Fj60. Got everything pulled from the wiring harness, basically entire interior. We're getting ready to do some cuts on the roof, and then we're gonna be pulling the motor and trans soon. I did sell the motor, and they're gonna come pick it up in a couple weeks. So gotta get it out, and then we're gonna be taking the windshield out so we can get some cuts for somebody that wants some fresh metal out in California that has some rust spots. So we're gonna start doing that, and then we'll see where this truck goes from there. This is what the truck looks like, all loaded up with parts from the pick today. Pretty much have all the interior pieces and the whole wiring harness. I'd love to know what people are gonna be thinking when I'm driving by them in this thing today. Should be freaking hilarious. Let's get on the road. Alright, so today we're gonna be cutting the whole truck into pieces, dismantling it, and we're taking off the doors right now. So the windows are out. Alright, time to start some cutting. Let's do this thing. The heart and soul of the vehicle is plucked from the good old Fj60. Time to finish her up. You got anything? She's in a million pieces, but we're pretty much done for the day. I'm zapped, I'm tired, I need some food. So we're gonna pack it up for the day, and then we'll be back to see what else holds for this truck. For anybody that was wondering why we stripped this Fj60, it was because of the frame. You see here, the rear shock tower mount is completely gone and it's about to fall out. That is impossible to weld in. We are cross mount rusting out, as well as the back channel back here is completely rusted out. Well, this is what's left of the red Fj60. In about 20 minutes, there's gonna be a guy that's gonna come. He's gonna pick this whole rolling chassis up, and he wants the frame, the axles, and the 2.5 old man emu lift. And we came to a deal for it, and it was just too good to resist, and saves me hauling it to the junkyard. So that's gonna be the end of this series. If you like this type of stuff, please subscribe, comment, and let me know if you wanna see more of it. We took your home, I'm sorry. We took their home.